Stress relief tips transform your life. Hello everyone. Today's topic is stress relief tips transform your life. What is stress? Stress can be defined as any type of change that causes physical, emotional, and psychological strain. Stress is your body's response to anything that requires attention or action. Everyone experiences stress to some degree. Stress can be positive, such as when it helps you to avoid danger, meet challenges, and motivate you to meet your goals. However, chronic stress or a constant stress experienced over a prolonged period can contribute to long-term physical and emotional health problems. What is the impact of chronic stress? The stress that you are experiencing over a short period of time does not cause long-term impact on you. However, if you have been experiencing stress over a long period of time, it may affect the physical, mental, and emotional health. Chronic stress may cause the following impacts: physical health problems, high blood pressure, heart problem, eating problem, skin and hair problems, joint pain, or headaches, etc. Emotional problem, for example, worry, anxiety, low mood, depression, etc. If you are experiencing the physical and emotional symptoms of stress, you need to consult a doctor for the treatment of the illnesses and a referral to the helping professional to help you find strategies to cope with stress. The following are the 5 tips for stress management. 1. Mindful eating. Eating mindfully can help you to slow down and take a break from your day, reducing stress and anxiety. Examine and change your relationship with food, helping you to notice when you turn to food for the reason other than hunger. Eating mindfully, choosing and savoring the taste and the smell of the food. Stay away from distraction of computer, handphone, TV, and so on. Benefits of mindful eating: reduce stress, increase enjoyment of food, better digestion, appreciate the moment with food. Steps. Step 1. Start a small portion of food. Step 2. Appreciate the food. Pay attention to the food. Silently express gratitude to the food. Step 3. Use all the senses to the meal. What is the color, texture, smell, and the taste of food? Savoring of the food before eating. Step 4. Eat slowly and thoroughly. 2. Mindful baking and cooking. Bake cookies, bun or bread, or cook a delicious meal. Before you cook or bake, get ready your ingredients. You can set up your music in your handphone or iPad or computer. Turn on the relaxing music. Keep an intent to your cooking or baking. For example, I'm preparing a yummy and healthy food with love for my family and I. Each ingredient is prepared with love and kindness. I am doing my best to cook and bake. The food that I prepare represents my love and care for my family. Enjoy the process of cooking and baking. Appeal to your 5 senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you touch? What do you smell? What do you taste? Be mindful to observe any thoughts and feelings and emotions. Note it down in your journal. 3. Mindful drinking. Prepare a cup of tea mindfully. Turn on the music video. Get ready for a tea. Boil the water. Select your favorite tea. Pour out the hot water to the tea. Sip for a while. Close your eyes to smell the fragrance of the tea. What do you see? What is the color of the tea? What is the smell of the tea? What is the taste of the tea? What is your experience of enjoying the tea? What is your body sensation? Will you feel warm when you drink the tea? Which part of body is warm? Which part of body is cold? You can record your thoughts and experience. Write it down in your journal. You can also draw to express your experience. 4. Mindful walking. Mindful walking simply means walking while being aware of each step of our breath. Benefits of mindful walking: combat stress, promote physical health, enhance physical, mental, and emotional well-being, improve mood, better sleep, reduce worry, increase productivity, increase creativity, enhance balance. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes a day to build the habit of mindful walking. You can record your thoughts and experience. Write it down in your journal. You can also draw to express your experience. 5. Meditation on compassion. You can light a candle to prepare for the warm atmosphere for listening to relaxing music. Enjoy being with the music. You give yourself time and permission to relax and being with the music. Let the music relax you and calm you down. Let the music bring you to a journey of your inner self. Meditate on compassion. Reflect upon this week whether you have been compassionate to yourself. Accept yourself as who you are. Accept your thoughts and emotions, feelings without judgment. Validate ourselves and express kindness and understanding to ourselves. Journal down your thoughts and feelings without judging yourself. Share with us your feedback after finishing this video. Mindful eating, baking, cooking, drinking, walking, and meditation on compassion are the 5 stress management strategies that you can adopt when you are feeling stressed. Disclaimer: The author shares this video based on readings and disclaim any responsibility of any liability, losses, or damages and/or application of any of the contents of this video. Subscribe into my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on relaxation and meditation and much more. Check out the playlist of relaxation music, meditation music, self-help tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.